Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY small box braid video. So stay tuned if you want to achieve this look. You're going to need some braiding hair. This is the brand I like. I use 5 packs in 1'26". You're also going to need some edge wax for your braids. I love this kind. You're going to need some clips, some moisturizer, some mousse, some organic coconut oil, some oil of your choice, and some edge control, a rat tail comb, an edge brush, and scissors. This is my hair like fully washed and blow dried with absolutely like no product in it, as you can see. So I'm gonna put some moisturizer in it. I don't like to take a lot since I am braiding my own hair. I want to be able to grip. Next, I'm gonna go with some organic coconut oil. I just like to put this on like the ends of my hair, just so that I know they're sealed. I only take a little bit, cause yeah. The way that I actually like part my hair and everything is like Snapchat. This is what I do. So in order to part my hair, I actually use Snapchat. So I part to my desire, as you see, and I take a picture of it and I part again and I feel around just to see like how big or small the part is. I section my hair off. I take that extra hair and put it back in the ponytail with the rest of the hair. I take another picture. I do it with the flash on because it's more defining in my opinion. And if I have any little mishaps, I just get rid of that. I repart and I basically continue. I take another picture. I take some of my product now that I've had the part as straight as I could possibly get it. And I just go in with the edge wax and just put it all over the part. And then I begin to define the part. Take another picture. Then I'm parting it again after I've already parted. With product this time though. And I'm just separating it and just making it as smooth as possible. And sometimes I even take videos because I'm just that extra. And I take another picture and I'm just trying to get the part as straight as possible, obviously. And I took one more picture and I think I'm satisfied. No, okay, so I took another picture because I clearly wasn't okay with the part yet. I'm very perfectionist when it comes to things like this. And I take another picture and then I have the desired part. There it is. So like it takes a little minute, it takes a little while. It's just what's easy for me. And then from there, I literally just after I've parted horizontally, it's very easy for me to just part vertically because it's just a little section. Okay, for this next particular part, I'm just going to show you how I do my knotless braids, my preferred method. So you take your hair and you put it in 3 sections. You make sure your hair is real, has a lot of gel and product on it pretty much. Not a lot, but a significant amount. And then I like to start off with taking one piece of hair at the root. And then I start braiding like people call it underhand, I guess. And I just begin to braid. And then the next, I braid until my real strand of hair right here on the right is left alone. Then I add my next piece. And all together, there's going to be 3 pieces you're adding, like all at once in the root area. And then since I want my braids a little bit longer than normal, I'm going to be adding a 4th piece of hair, but that's when I get past my real hair. Okay, originally when you're doing knotless box braids, you normally would only add 3 pieces to your, like feed in 3 pieces to your braid. But since I want mine just a little bit smaller than like normal, I'm gonna be adding 4 pieces. The way like I add the 4th piece in is like once I get past my row hair, I like to take the 4th piece and just like add it right on it. Or you could just measure up and see like where you want it to end and you just add it in there. I'm just gonna show you how I add it in. It's easier to like take it like this, like where it's at, and then these 2 pieces that are out, you just add it in like this. Okay, this is the last time I'm gonna do a voiceover. So I'm just taking my 3 sections. You could barely see it in this video. I'm just taking my 3 sections. I'm starting to braid, and then I'm gonna take my 2nd piece of hair and add it. That way every strand has like weave added to it. Then I'm gonna take 3rd piece of hair and just braid. I'm gonna come around, and then I'm gonna braid down until it's time to add my 4th piece in. A little update. This is where we are.
2 hours later.
It is currently 2:50 in the morning. I am at the top of my head though, and I also have the next section pre-parted, but this is where we're at. So I have all of this done, and all this done, and all this done. parted this whole section. This is all I have left to do. I'm very tired. It is 6:23 a.m. But it's so cute. I'm excited. Now 8:43 and I'm done. Okay, y'all, this is the final product. I just got done dipping them. I haven't even put mousse or setting spray, nothing. I haven't put anything on them. This is what they look like. Very flat, very knotless. Yeah, so this is what they look like. They are like soaking wet right now. I bought both of these oils that I showed in the beginning of the video. I'll be using these. I poured both of them in the bottle, shook it up, and I'm gonna be using this to oil my hair. So I'm about to oil my hair. Okay, now I'm just gonna style them. Just push everything back. This is the edge control I'm gonna be using. I showed it in the beginning of the video. It works really well. If you made it to the end of this video, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.